What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be replacing the front axle bushing on my H3 Hummer. So I'm going to start with removing the skid plate here. Alright, got that down. This here is the bushing that I'm going to need to replace, and wow, that's bad. Here's what it's supposed to look like. And that's what it looks like. Alright, I've got that little bolt out of there. Now I can remove this cross member. There we go. Back to whacking. There we go, the cross members dropped down. I got the differential supported a little bit. Now it's time to work on the bushing. There's a comparison. The old bushing is very rotten out. This is what the new one looks like. Sits in the same direction. I'm gonna take some soapy water and scrub this down and then repaint the cross member. Some Dawn dish soap on a scrubber here. Now it's time to remove the old bushing. Now the hard part will be getting the outer sleeve out. So I gave Paul over at Workland Auto Machine Shop a call, and I'm planning on stopping by there later today and hopefully having him press out the old outer bushing sleeve and then press the new bushing in. I got the cross member back from Paul. Got the new bushing pressed in there. Paul at Workland Automotive Machine did a great job. Since I have this piece out, I'm going to go ahead and try chipping off some of this rust and paint over it. And I'll spray the rest of it from the underside once I have it installed, just so I can get it in there quicker. So I've got the crossmember all torqued back down and the bushing torqued down. It looks a whole lot better. I'm excited to button up the skid plates and see if it feels better. Oh yeah, that feels a lot better already. It used to clunk when I would shift into gear. Nice. That feels good.